On October 5, 2014, a Union Pacific freight train departed Houston, Texas, headed eastbound at 11:50 a.m. There were two engines leading this train, both of which were unique for the Union Pacific, with Norfolk Southern -940CW 9939 leading and UP-AC 44CW 6387 trailing, which at the time retained its original Southern Pacific paint from the 1990s. Just after 1 in the afternoon, the train was approaching Mer Rouge, Louisiana, but there was trouble ahead. A semi-truck got stuck on the tracks. The gates go down, the truck driver bails, and a woman in her car begins recording a video, and then...
Oh my God! Tell me he got out.
He should have been out.
Just tell me he got out.
The train destroys the trailer and derails. Chemicals began leaking from some tank cars, and homes were evacuated. After 2 hours, it was deemed safe to go home again, as it was determined to be argon, a non-toxic chemical that has effects when it's exposed to a person, but is not life-threatening. The engineer and conductor thankfully survived the derailment. The truck driver also survived, as he was seen running from his truck seconds before. The truck company was deemed responsible and was forced to pay for all damages and cleanup. NS 9939 was deemed a total loss and sent away to be scrapped. Five years later, this video gives us a reminder. No matter how big the vehicle is, it will never win a fight against the train.